A, B, C.
Introducing Active Play Series. A hands-on, engaging program designed specially for pre-primary learners. This series provides a holistic educational foundation across core subjects. Like English, Maths, Hindi, EVS, and rhymes and stories. Why choose Active Play? This series has a 5-step learning process, also known as Panchpadi. Structured activities that take young learners through a 5-step process that ensures deep understanding of every concept. Koshas-based approach, inspired by Tattariya Upanishad, deeply rooted in Bharatiya vision of education for Panchkosha Vikas. The concept of Panchkoshas promotes balanced growth, not just academically, but also physically, emotionally, intellectually, and creative development. What makes Active Play stand out? Aligned perfectly with the NEP 2020 and NCF FS 2022, and engaging classroom activities that develop 21st century skills. Focused on foundational literacy and numeracy, motor skills, critical thinking, and social awareness, all through a multi-sensory approach. AR, augmented reality. VR, virtual reality, 2D animation videos.
The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Once there was a shepherd boy who took all his sheep up on the mountain to eat some grass.
An interactive 3D. For immersive and blended learning. Board games. Activity sheets. Teachers aren't left behind. The Teacher's Resource Manual provides step-by-step guidance, helping them effectively conduct activities and achieve learning goals. Set your child on a joyful and enriching learning journey with the Active Play series, where foundational education meets holistic development. Together, let's shape the future with Active Play.